When it comes to door replacement Glendale, residents and businesses alike seek the best services to ensure their entryways are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're looking for entry door replacement or patio door services, Glendale, Arizona offers a plethora of options to meet your needs. Custom doors. Glendale are particularly popular for those who want to add a unique touch to their homes or commercial spaces. For those in need of door replacement Glendale, there are numerous top-rated services available. From sliding door replacement to French doors, Glendale, the options are endless. Door frame replacement is a common request, especially in older homes where wear and tear have taken their toll. Energy-efficient doors are also in high demand, as they help reduce energy costs and improve the overall comfort of your home. Energy-efficient doors are becoming increasingly popular in Glendale, Arizona, as they help reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of your home. Door hardware. Glendale specialists can assist in selecting the right components to enhance both the functionality and security of your doors. Residential door services are tailored to meet the specific needs of homeowners, while commercial door replacement focuses on the unique requirements of businesses. Door refinishing Glendale is an excellent option for those looking to restore the beauty of their existing doors. Storm doors, Glendale provide added protection against harsh weather conditions, making them a wise investment for any property. Door glass replacement is another service offered, ensuring that your doors remain both secure and visually appealing. Door hardware Glendale is an essential component of any door installation or replacement project. Whether you're looking for residential door services or commercial door replacement, having the right hardware is crucial. Door refinishing Glendale is another popular service, allowing homeowners to restore the beauty of their existing doors without the need for a full replacement. Storm doors. Glendale are an excellent addition to any home, providing an extra layer of protection against the elements. Glass door replacement. Glendale is often necessary for those who want to maintain the clarity and security of their doors. Bifold doors. Glendale are a stylish and space-saving option for both residential and commercial properties. Door weather stripping is a simple yet effective way to improve the energy efficiency of your home. Door hinge replacement is another common service, ensuring that your doors open and close smoothly. Door threshold replacement is often needed when the existing threshold has become worn or damaged. Door lock installation is a critical aspect of home security, and Glendale, Arizona offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Door alignment. Glendale is essential for ensuring that your doors function properly and do not cause unnecessary wear on the frame. Door jamb replacement is often required when the jamb has been damaged or is no longer aligned correctly. Door painting. Glendale is a great way to refresh the look of your home without the need for a full replacement. Door sealing services are essential for keeping out drafts and improving energy efficiency. Decor upgrade Glendale services are available for those looking to enhance the functionality and appearance of their doors. For the best door replacement services in Glendale, AZ, look no further than the local experts. Affordable door installation. Glendale, Arizona is within reach, with many companies offering competitive pricing and high-quality workmanship. Top-rated door replacement. Glendale, AZ ensures that your doors are in the best possible condition.